Hey, what's up everybody? Hope everybody's having a great day out there today. Hey, today's an exciting day for me because I have another unboxing video. We just received these snakes from FedEx just a few minutes ago, and this is from Fireball Pythons. So this should be pretty exciting. Go ahead and open this up, see what we got. The receipt. Oh, got some nice stickers. Fireball Pythons. Hey, you guys should check them out on Morph Market. They got some pretty nice animals available over there. Oh, and nice little keychain. Very cool. Oh, okay. Oh, there's two bags here. So I wasn't expecting two snakes. Wonder what she ordered. Okay, all right. Well, I guess she added another one to the order. Never hurts. The more the merrier, right? Yeah. Okay, if I can get this open today. Let's see what we got. Ooh, wait for that one. I'm gonna save that one for last. Check out this other one she got. Yeah, I wouldn't know by looking at it because this one is het. So, ooh, wow, very pretty. So this is a Mojave, but it's het for lavender and het pied. So it's basically a het dreamsicle. Very pretty Mojave though. You see the blushing and stuff on the side of that? Very, almost reminds me of a Mojave cypress. Wow, that's very pretty. Whoa. Wow. Okay, so that's a female that's going to go with my dreamsicle yellow belly in the future. Can't wait to see what that one's going to look like. Holy cow. Oh, yes. Yeah, this is what oh, jenkins, there's a snake in there. Oh, let me put this here and get that. Look at this. Holy smokes. So this, what we have here is a chocolate cinnamon clown. And look at the pattern and the color on that thing is insane. I love these sides. It almost looks like it's dripping. Very, very cool. Wow. Wow. Okay, so we have two more females that are coming. That's actually going to be the females that's going to go with this male here. So I'll do another unboxing video when those show up. Wow. How cool is that? Okay guys, I put the snakes out here together so we can get a better look at them. So the one on the left, this is the Mojave het pied het lavender albino. And then this is the male cinnamon chocolate clown. Really, really excited about both of these. I can't wait to add that Mojave to the dreamsicles. See what that's gonna look like, a Mojave yellow belly dreamsicle. Wow, that's gotta be pretty cool. And then I plan to add spot nose to this one to get what's called a dark night. It would actually be a cinnamon dark night. So that would be cinnamon chocolate spot nose clown. So that's going to be pretty cool. Can't wait for that pairing. Alright guys, so I think that's going to wrap it up for this video. Hey, would you do me a favor? If you enjoyed the video, would you hit that like and subscribe button? I'll see you guys soon.